Want to know the top 20 fintech startups to watch in 2024? Picture this. We're in the year 2024 and the fintech industry is booming. It's not just about banking anymore. It's a vibrant ecosystem of startups, all vying to redefine how we think about and interact with money in our daily lives. From RegTech to DeFi, from embedded finance to cross-border payments, these startups are at the forefront of innovation, shaping the financial world of tomorrow. Now, you might be wondering, how did we pick these top 20 startups? Well, we didn't just pull names out of a hat. We used the power of big data and artificial intelligence. Through the Start Use Insights Discovery platform, we analyzed over 3,790,000 startups and scale-ups globally. Out of this vast pool, we identified 4,736 fintech startups. Our selection process was meticulous, focusing on innovation, potential impact on the global economy, and the unique solutions each startup brings to the table. We then narrowed down our list to the 20 most promising fintech startups you should keep an eye on in 2024. We saw high startup activity in Western Europe and the USA, followed by India. These startups are working on a diverse range of solutions. Some are pushing the boundaries of regulatory technology, while others are delving into the complex world of decentralized finance. And let's not forget about the startups revolutionizing embedded finance or facilitating seamless cross-border payments. These startups aren't just making waves in the financial industry, they're creating ripples that are felt across the entire global economy. They're not just changing how we bank or pay for things, they're reshaping our understanding of what finance can be, making it more accessible, more efficient, and more integrated into our daily lives. And this is just the beginning. The fintech industry is poised for even more growth and innovation in the years to come. So, buckle up and get ready for a thrilling ride into the future of finance. Now let's dive into these intriguing startups one by one. First on our list is FinHouse, a leader in advanced RegTech solutions. In the fast-paced world of fintech, FinHouse stands out with its cutting-edge regulatory technology. This innovative startup leverages artificial intelligence and big data to streamline compliance and risk management, a critical aspect in the financial sector. Their solutions are designed to enhance transparency, increase efficiency, and improve decision-making processes. As the landscape of financial regulations continues to evolve, FinHouse is at the forefront, providing solutions that are both robust and adaptable. Keep an eye on FinHouse as they continue to innovate in RegTech. Next up, we have Paraterra reinventing cross-border payments. In a world that's more connected than ever, Paraterra is bridging gaps with their innovative solutions. They are revolutionizing the way we transfer money across borders, making it faster, cheaper, and more secure. This is a game changer in the fintech industry as it opens up new possibilities for global commerce and peer-to-peer transactions. By eliminating traditional banking hurdles, Paraterra is truly making the world a smaller place. Paraterra is undoubtedly a startup to watch in 2024. And there you have it, the top 20 fintech startups to watch in 2024. These pioneers are revolutionizing the financial technology landscape, each with their own unique solutions, from advanced RegTech solutions to cross-border payments and embedded finance. Their potential is immense, and their impact on the global economy could be significant. These startups are not just creating innovative products and services, they're also shaping the future of the industry. They're demonstrating how technology can be leveraged to streamline financial processes, enhance customer experiences, and drive growth in the economy. As they continue to break new ground, they're also setting the stage for the next wave of financial innovation. Their work is a testament to the power of technology and the potential of the fintech industry. So keep an eye on these startups. They're the ones to watch as they shape the future of fintech in 2024 and beyond.